and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you what I have eaten for the past week and also what my kids have eaten over the past week. My son has just started primary school, so I've read online that a good thing to do for the first week of school is to just give them really easy meals, because obviously there's a lot of stuff going on in their little heads, especially if they've just started school for the first time ever. And so the last thing you don't want to do is be having like arguments about food and what they are and what they're not eating. So pretty much every single meal that my son has eaten for the past week has been pretty much like beige, very quick, fake meat with, because we're vegan if you didn't know, fake meat with like some sort of potato. You don't need to worry about stressing out about making elaborate meals for kids not to eat, and then they're hungry and grouchy and you're annoyed and it's just too many emotions. So super easy kids meals coming up in a minute. Also sharing with you the, I think it's 5 meals I had this week. I don't know what happened to the other 2 meals. I think one of the meals may have been a Chinese takeaway, which I forgot to record because I was too excited to get in there and eat my Chinese takeaway. I'm not sure what the 7th meal was though, so I'm not sure why that wasn't recorded. Could have been a roast dinner though. So just imagine a Chinese takeaway and a roast dinner at the end of this video. But yeah, without further ado, let me share with you the meals that we've eaten over the past week. Today we are having spaghetti bolognese for dinner. That's my one. Ellis's one with his vitamins, and Quinn's one is there. We have some of this pure vegan cheese on top. I've never had this before, so hopefully it's delicious. And Sean's one there, and then we also have some garlic bread just finishing cooking there. Because my 4-year-old has just started school, we're not being too stressful when it comes to his dinners for this week, so we have a very easy dinner, which is a bit of a weird concoction. Fish fingers, baked beans, broccoli and peas, which I would never pair with baked beans, but it's what he wanted. And then we have some strawberries and some quartered grapes. He also has some vitamins there as well, which I can't remember the name of the brand, but I'll put it on the screen. And this is Quinn, my 15-month-old's portion here. Dinner tonight for me and my husband was fajitas. I bought the old El Paso kit. I usually buy the store own brand ones, but the old El Paso had a deal on, so it was actually cheaper to buy the branded stuff this time. I know you can buy like wraps and salsa and seasoning separately, but I find it's actually cheaper to buy it all in a box, although I do feel like I'm being conned every time I open it and there's like nothing in there. But yeah, I didn't actually film it and put together because I make a mess, but it was delicious. Second day at school, dinner for my son, and we've got some vegan, I think these are the green cuisine chicken dippers, pesto pasta and some fruit and cucumber. And as you can imagine, it went down quite a treat. In fact, I'm a bit jealous of this meal actually. I think I should have had that myself. Dinner for us this evening is red pesto pasta with peas and then a various amount of seasoning on top. We're using the Morrison's own brand OMV grilled red pepper pesto. It's okay, it wasn't my favourite, I prefer green pesto. And then I'm using this nutritional yeast, which is very, very Parmesan-like. So yeah, it was good. I haven't had this pesto or this Parmesan before, so I was a big fan. Very simple meal for my son tonight. As you can imagine, it was day 3 of primary school and he's very tired, so we have a vegan sausage roll, I think it's the Aldi own brand, some Alpha Bites, red pepper and some sliced apple. My favourite meal this week was this. It's a Buddha bowl. We use the Lucy Watson recipe. I've spoken about this recipe a bazillion times on my channel, so if you've seen these videos before from me, you'll know how much we love a Buddha bowl. And here it is, absolutely covered in a satay sauce and sriracha. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering just looking at this. It is so delicious. I highly recommend you make yourself a Buddha bowl. Final school meal for my son was literally just hoops on toast with fruit, a Linda McCartney sausage, which he didn't actually eat. He wasn't in the mood for it, and his vitamins. Yeah, end of the week, just need something quick and easy. A bit of a random one for dinner tonight, but we have some leftover pesto pasta that needs to be used up. So there is the bulk of it, so I've got a bit of it there. And then I have these are falafel pittas. So we've got falafel in there, hummus, some lettuce, cucumber and a bit of onion too. And there is a deconstructed version, obviously without the pita bread. And yes, that's for dinner tonight. I've got one and Sean will also have one, but Sean is currently trying to get Quinn to go to sleep, who's just woken up, which is really inconvenient. But it is what it is, so I'm going to have mine now. And hopefully he will join me soon. He'll make his own one too, because I don't know how he wants to do it. But yeah, that's dinner for tonight. So those are the meals we've eaten over the past week. The Buddha bowl probably was my favourite thing we've eaten this week, as I mentioned in the video just then. We'll link Lucy Watson's recipe down below. Excuse me, can I just do a quick chit chat? I will link Lucy Watson's recipe down below if you're interested in making it. I highly recommend it. It is delicious. The satay sauce, oh, it's to die for. I could do with a Buddha bowl right this very second. I think we're going to have risotto for dinner tonight though. But if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up so I know to make more of this type of content. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed already. I'd love for you to join the Oh Caroline crew. Why not? And I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.